Here are the straightforward steps to update your Excel, Word, and PowerPoint programs to Office 365 in Windows 11. Open any programs on your Windows PC here, and I am opening Excel from the search box. Please open it and click on File to get the options at the bottom left of your screen. Now, check that your account is signed in with a Microsoft 365 Active subscription. Now, click on the Update option and check for updates. If disabled, then enable updates. That's it. Your Microsoft app will install new updates automatically. To check the current version, click on the About Excel option, and see the version displayed in the pop-up. Your all Microsoft software, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, update automatically. That's it. I hope you get fixed and updated to the latest version. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get new video updates.